Hi guys, doing a quick short. This is more for me than you, but found some original paint. The blue is original, ignore silver and green and every other color. The blue is original. This is also why I love using evapo-rust. It doesn't actually harm the paint. Another fix. Don't know what happened there, but that's the exhaust push rod or cam. Now I just need to try and get some paint matched. Also only received 3 emails, so guys, I'm doing the run this week. If you want stickers, please email me. I can do it at other times, but I'd rather do it in a big batch if I can. Yeah, that's it. See you guys.